I miss being on here with you guys, but I'm back. We have our big comb, we have our picking comb, we have our edge control olive oil, we have our jack 5 as usual, just the normal things I usually use. I already creamed my hair with TCB hair cream. You first wash your hair. My hair is still moisturized, so since I want to use this part, then I'll go in with your plate. So remember that we have a short hair at the back. Going in with jack 5. I really do not like black gel, so I prefer this one. I like to apply little gel on my hair. I don't know why, I just fancy a bit. That's why you wouldn't see me put gel before tying the hair. Yes, and funny thing is, it stays. It actually stays. It doesn't. The next day when I'm about to go out, I just apply a bit in front and I'm good. So I do not like black gel. One, it just looks like dye to me, that black gel, and I don't fancy it, man. I don't fancy it, to be honest. This one looks really natural for me. After gelling it, I just go in with a specific way I might want. Now let me show you guys the back. I don't like too much gel, but let me show you the back. I'm going to plait it. Okay, I couldn't get Darling Nigeria hair, but you could use anyone actually. I got Expression color 1. That's what we'll be using. So this is how it looks when it comes. So this will be a bumpy ride, heavy and all. So it's already plated and it already has a rubber band here. So you just lose it. If you want that drama, heaviness and all, you can use the whole bundle, but I don't want that drama, so I'm going to separate it. Yes, I do not want that drama, not today. So I'll use this portion and I'll keep this portion. Being equal, you pick your rubber band. You see your rubber band? Take it like this. Just put it in like this. Good. Then put one inside the other one like this. Good. Then you tie it on your hair. After putting the rubber band, then you plait. Just fetch any portion. Do we see how long this is? Super long. So at the end, just pick I do not want a pin, so I'm going to use an already braided attachment to tie it. I already did one. I'll show you guys the second one. Just so it looks natural. I just feel the pin at a point becomes obvious. Dealing with attachments can get a bit messy, so please know what you're doing before you get it. But this is it. This is what it is. So for decoration, you get yourself these normal pins you usually buy. don't know what they call them, hooks or whatever. Just open it and then pin it. Just pin for braids basically. Just to make yourself look fine. I like to play with these pins, you know, it's enough, so play with it however way you want it. Nobody's going to fight you. So we can just say we're done.